Already, like, and I'm like,
I mean, I did hit him hard. Because
you're all right.
I put him right into it, like, ripped my fucking pants. And he fucked my glasses up. I was just good. Yeah,
now, a male has been with a black leather jacket. So a lot of Nikes and left over to a four-door sedan northbound.
They can handle their traffic. I see this dude. Yeah, he's not wearing a red hat, but he's wearing a yellow hat, all black with a black backpack. They've switched it out. I'm afraid as soon as I fucking turn, he's gonna dip. Watch this. He's gonna dip as soon as he sees us.
Code 4, you can have me at 16 at one way is on.
Copy.
Alright, we're about to drive by him right now.
I don't see your face tats.
Nah, he's just got them blotches on his face. Alright, dude in yellow hat, just tell me if you think he looks like him. That dude had tats.
Him.
That is him?
That looks like him. That looks exactly like him.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna flip it again. Oh yeah, he's looking back.
Hold on, go and put us out with the 58. Burgess and Broad. Negative.
You ready for him to run?
That's close. That's him.
Then get out. I'm gonna stay in the car just in case he runs.
Hey, what's your name, bud? Going on one, I got up, 130. Westbound that Broad. Right up to Ogden. South on Ogden.
Put your hands behind your back!
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back. Why'd you run? You're done, dude. You better fucking stop. Stop right now. You don't fucking stop. Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back. Why'd you run? Get his other hand.
What did I do? What did I do?
Hey, we got one detained at Ogden and Broad at the Mobile.
What did I do?
Ogden and Broad, one detained.
What did I do?
Okay, get up. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. You got any weapons on you?
No.
All right, come on, let's go.
What did I do?
No 60s, we got him.
I copy, shut down 60s. Anybody in route?
Let's go over here. Oh, you fucked up my glasses.
He dropped his bag on Burgess and Broad. Should be a white male with a red hoodie. What did I do?
Huh? Yeah.
Yep.
What? All right. You got anything on you? No. Why'd you drop your bag over there? What's in it?
Nothing.
Well, we're gonna get it, so you can go ahead and tell us. All right, can you hold it for a second? All right, hey,
You're arrested. You're under arrest. What's your name? Huh? What's your name? It's Jonathan now.
we're gonna get a fingerprint scan.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Save me the trouble. Hey, how are you? Thank you.
You said Broad, 191. Did you have a better location for that bag at Jentaston?
Yeah, it's over here, Broadburst. I'm walking over with 193 right now. It's right across from Safeway Mini Mart. Dude, I didn't mean to hurt him, but I hit him hard, like, because he wouldn't stop. Yeah, he wouldn't stop. Yeah, Vince did good too. He cut him off, made him. Vince
Vince
ran so far. I'm just driving next. I'm like, stop, dude. You better fucking stop. And he's been. Dude, he hit the curb though when I tackled him. Like, dude, like it had to hurt really, really fucking bad. I didn't mean to do it like that, but just for anybody listening. But,
already, like, and I'm like,
I mean, I did hit him hard. Because
you're all right.
I put him right into it, like, ripped my fucking pants. And he fucked my glasses up. I just got
yeah, a male Hispanic with a black leather jacket who stole a lot of things and left over to both corridors.
You gonna live back there? Hey, dude, I didn't want to do that. You were running, dude. I told you to stop. We told you multiple times. I mean, it's just, it is what it is, dude. This is the cost of doing business, so. We're getting a medic for you. And you fucked my pants up, too. Brand new pants I just got. All right, again, step out.
tell you what we can do. He can dry it off with this.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
It'll be bigger than that. I don't think that's bigger than that.
All right, let's go.
What do you do, boss?
Oh no, he's just just from tackling him. He's hurt worse for sure. Dude, he landed right on the curb, dude. I mean that's just how it worked out. I didn't want to hit him like that, but he chose his own fate. No, it was a good job on you too, man. You funneled him right in here. It's like that's textbooks what you want to do every time.
Well, I was trying to come this way so he would go more towards Broad.
Yeah, no, it was perfect. Chased him right in there. He went over there. It was perfect. It was money. So it was good shit. He's got chest pains. I figured it was going to be like hip problems, but
no. He sat down and was like, my chest hurts. I'm like, you just ran from the police.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure it hurts.